क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो का वर्क है डिडियो क्वीन ऑफ कार्थरेज। डिडियो क्वीन ऑफ कार्थरेज 1593 में आया था। इट इज ए शॉर्ट प्ले बाय क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो के द्वारा विथ पॉसिबल कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ थॉमस नस। और इसमें पॉसिबल है कि कंट्रीब्यूट भी हुआ है, थॉमस नस भी किया है कंट्रीब्यूट। द सोर्स इज वर्गिल एनीड Book 1, 2, and 4. There is depiction of homosexual affection by Frederick Baus in this play between Ganymede and Joy. Ganymede and Joy. Ganymede and Joy. इसका प्लॉट देखते हैं। प्लॉट है जुपिटर इज इन लव विथ गैनीमेड। जुपिटर जो है लव करता था गैनीमेड से। हु से दैट जुपिटर्स वाइफ जूनो is mistreating him because of her jealousy. Venus Venus enters and complains that Jupiter is neglecting his son Anachus, who has left Troy with survivors of the defected city. Aeneas is on his way to Italy, but lost his way in a storm. Jupiter tells Venu about not to worry, he will quiet the storm. Venus travels to Libya disguising herself as a mortal and meets Aeneas. He recognizes her, but she denies her identity. She helps him to meet with Ilonius, Sergestus, and Colthes, the other Trojan who have already received generous hospitality from Didio, Queen of Carthage. Didio meets Aeneas and promises to supply ships. She asked him to give her the true story of the fall of Troy. Aeneas detects the same, describing the death of Priam, loss of his own wife, and his escapes with his son Acunius with other survivors. Dedio's suitor Erebus presses her to marry him, but Venus has some other plan. She disguises Cupid as Aeneas' son Acunius so that he can get close to Didio and touch her with his arrow. Cupid does so, and Didio immediately falls in love with Aeneas, rejecting Erebus. Erebus Dedio's sister Anna, who is in love with Erebus, encourages Dedio to pursue Aeneas. Dedio and Aeneas meet in a gay where she declared her love. They go to the cave to make love. Erebus shivers for revenge. Venus and Juno appear, arguing over Aeneas. Venus believes that Juno wants to harm her son, but Juno denies it, saying she has important plan for him. Aeneas and his followers plans to depart Libya, but Anna brings them back. Didio did not want them to leave, so as he precaution, she removes all the sails and takes from his ship. She also places Acunius in the custody of the nurse, believing Aeneas will not live without him. But it was Cupid who was disguised as Acunius. Didio said that Aeneas will be king of Carthage, and anyone who objects will be executed. Aeneas agrees and plans to build a new city to rival Troy and strikes back at Greeks. Mercury appears with Syl Aeneas and informs Aeneas that his destiny is in Italy and he must leave Libya. On the order of Jupiter, Aeneas accepts the divine command. Irbaz is happy to this news and supply Aeneas with the missing tackle. Aeneas tells Dido that he must leave, but she pleads with him to ignore Jupiter's commands, but he refuses to do so. He departs, leaving Dido in despair. The nurse said that Acunius he displayed and Didio orders her to be imprisoned. Imprisoned, Didio tells Irbaz and Anna to make a funeral fair on which she will burn everything that reminds her of Aeneas. After, after cursing Aeneas properly, Didio throws herself into the fire. Irbaz is horrified and kills himself. Anna one sings Irbaz did kills herself. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं हम लोग इसका क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो का अदर माइनर वर्क्स ऑफ मार्लो. द फर्स्ट बुक ऑफ लुकेन, ओविड्स एमोर्स, द मैस्कर एट पेरिस, द ट्रेजेडी ऑफ द गाइस अनफिनिश्ड 1593. द पैशनेट शेफर्ड्स टू हिज लव पोयम है. इसका फेमस लाइन है कम लिव. फेमस लाइन है इसका द पैशनेट शेफर्ड्स टू हिज लव पोयम का famous line, come live with me and I be my love. Come live with me and be my love. Translation of Lucness Freshline from Latin. Translation of Lucness Freshline from Latin.